What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to take a look at this speaker by Creative. And I know I haven't been uploading that much, but I'm back now, and without further ado, we're going to take a look at this speaker by Creative and see if this worth the price, if this worth buying and those stuff. So let's jump on into this video. So the unboxing process of this speaker is quite simple. On the box here you can see Pebble V2, and it's a minimalistic 2.0 USB Type-C to desktop speakers, so you can use this on your desktop, which is your decks and stuff, or you can even use this on your bookshelf and stuff. So yeah, so it's powered by USB Type-C, so you will need a USB Type-C port to power this, and you can even use your USB Type-C A adapter, because this actually comes with an USB Type-C adapter, USB Type-C A adapter, sorry. So if you don't have the Type-C port, you can just use the converter this comes with. So the unboxing experience is quite simple. When you open the box, you are greeted with the speakers in this bubble wrap package, and I like how Creative actually designed the speaker. I can see where the name come from, the Pebble. It actually looked like a pebble, to be honest, and I really like that. And you also get your USB Type A to Type C adapter, so you can use this to plug in or to power the device itself. And also you get your booklet and manuals and those stuff, so if you don't know how to use a device, you can actually read this and to see how you can actually get about using the device. So this is nothing really fancy, nobody really read these things, but if you don't know how to use it, these are here just in case you don't know how to do that. So yeah, I really like the build quality of this speaker. I can see Creative done a really good job with this, and I really like the gold accent they had in the dome of this speaker, and it actually accommodated my setup well, to be honest. My black and white theme going on here, and the master speaker have the volume knob where you can turn up the volume of the speaker or turn down the volume. And the back of the speaker here, nothing really much around here other than this black rubber soundproof like bass strap. It really have this stylish modern look to it, and here you have your gain switch, which you can switch to either a higher gain or a lower gain. So you will definitely hear a sound improvement when using this feature, because it's a night and day difference, to be honest. I'm really impressed with the build quality of this speaker. There's nothing bad to say about this. I will do a sound test to let you guys hear how sweet this thing sounds for the price, and you also can be the judge down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about these. So without further ado, let's jump into the sound test. So yeah, you have heard this speaker, you have seen what this thing can do. This thing full a lot of bass, and it kind of locked up in and stuff, but hey, this thing works. It's a desk speaker and you're getting value for your money. This is for like $30, guys, and that's a steal to me. You can't beat that steal. So if you want to cop this thing, I will leave links down in the description for you guys if you want to check this out. And I think that's it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this one. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.